Welcome to this week's 2-Minute Tuesday. A question we're getting asked a lot is, where do fans go in a pressurisation system? It may surprise you to know that in a pressurisation system, unlike a mechanical smoke extract system, the best place for the fans is usually not the roof. The fans should ideally be situated in a ground level plant room so that there is no risk of supply air being contaminated by smoke venting out of the air release path. This is covered in clause 11.8.2.4 of BSEN 12101 Part 6. The air intake shall always be located away from any potential fire hazards. Air intake shall be located on or near ground level, but well away from basement smoke vents, to avoid contamination by rising smoke. If this is not possible, air intake shall be positioned at roof level. So, as we can see, fans can be situated on the roof. However, where this is done, it's important that we bear this important clause from Part 6 in mind. Clause 11.8.2.7 states, where air intakes are positioned at roof level, there shall be two air intakes spaced apart and facing different directions in such a manner that they cannot be directly downwind of the same source of smoke. Each inlet should be independently capable of providing the full air requirements of the system. Each inlet shall be protected by an independently operated smoke control damper system in such a way that if one damper closes due to smoke contamination, the other inlet will supply the air requirements of the system without interruption. The discharge point of a smoke ventilation duct shall be a minimum of 1 metre above the air intake and 5 metres horizontally from it. An override switch to reopen the closed damper and to close the open damper shall be provided for fire brigade use. This is why it's recommended that the fans are situated at ground level. However, it's also important to note that clause 11.8.2.6 states where an air intake is not at roof level, a smoke detector shall be provided in the intake duct or within the immediate vicinity of the supply ductwork in order to cause the automatic shutdown of the pressure differential system if substantial quantities of smoke are present in the supply. An override switch shall be provided for the purposes of the fire brigade. Your next question is likely to be, what size plant room would I need for a pressurisation system? While space requirements differ between systems, a good rule of thumb is to allow 1 metre by 3 metres per air supply unit with additional surrounding space for access. In some cases, you may have as many as 3 air supply units. I hope this has helped answer the question as to where fans go in a pressurisation system. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you'd like more content like this, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. And as always, I'll look forward to seeing you next week. Bye for now.